Tonight, Orangeburg County residents continue to recover from those floodwaters. The onslaught of all that rain led many roads impassable. And tonight, county leaders telling us there's no date for when some of those roads are going to reopen. We're going to send things over to our News 19's Walker Lawson. He's been there all day looking at homes and neighborhoods, and it's not a pretty sight, right, Walker?
No, JR, it's actually unlike anything I think I've seen. This is worse than what some areas saw with Debbie. We've seen downtown Orangeburg completely flooded, several bridges and roads washed out. We have cars submerged behind me, businesses that are closed, and people that have had to move some belongings out of their homes. So it has been quite the situation to see here in Orangeburg. Now, as you mentioned, we spoke with county leaders earlier today who said there is no official date for when these roads will be reopened, but they said they're working around the clock with DOT to make sure it's done as soon as possible. All right, and as we mentioned, again, no trespassing around these barricades. The city and county again is trying to enforce and make sure that people turn around, don't drown. It's dark out. You can't see what's in the water out here. Again, it's going to take some time for this water to recede and for county and city leaders to get all of these roads reopened. JR.
All right, Walker Lawson, thank you so very much.